Welcome to the channel. What if you could find the exact person you need? Tech founder, engineer, just by typing it in plain English. This AI tool will change the way you network forever. All right, guys, what if you could find the best person you need? You're probably wondering, hey, if I could find the right person, make the right connection, then everything would work out. Well, who do you need to find? Do you need a founder? Do you need an engineer? Do you need a teammate? Do you just need a friend? And what if you could just type it in English and an AI would help you find it and network? Yeah, you can literally do that. Find the right person. Imagine if you had the right network. What could be possible? I'd say anything could be possible. You can find people in your networks using AI. And that's happenstance, but it is not happenstance, no pun intended. So what do you do here? Just type what you want in plain English. I am looking for a boom. No filters, no advanced tricks, no nothing. You can find founders, engineers, investors, designers, PhDs, maybe the love of your life. I don't know about that one. But you can find the right people for your business. So if you want an early stage AI founder, if you want the next big dude in crypto in San Diego, if you want the next designer to help you with your UI UX, it's possible.
Feel like you make amazing content, but it's buried in the YouTube algorithm? You want to rank to the top fast. You want to dominate your niche. Let me introduce you YTRanker and show you how it's done. First, we'll open up an incognito window so we can keep our browsing history fresh. So we'll set our language to English, our country to the USA, and let's go ahead and search for some terms here. Let's try proxy for you. We can see I'm at the top. And then proxy for you tutorial. Here it is. My video is right at the top, and that's because of the strategy. Ready to stop blending in and start leading in your niche? Visit ytranker.net, where visibility meets real results. Let's get back to the video.
How does it do it? It just does an instant network connection. So you get the Gmail, the LinkedIn, the Twitter, even integrates with Slack so you can search for the team's connections. Then you just combine your network with a friend or a colleague, whoever it is, and then it opens up that connection. After that, you go ahead and tag it in Slack, forward an email, searches for you, no dashboard, no extra tools needed, just slips right into your platform. And is backed by some big names. As we can see here, even Y Combination is getting on it. Happenstance is by far the best social network search I've ever seen. So it's already in use by Y Combinator. Founders and major VC firms, it's smarter than keywords. It uses AI to match you on contacts, not just titles, and you can run searches immediately. You actually don't even need an account. Yes, you can make one, but if you just want to run a search, get going, you can. You can see the product here, all the integrations, features, pricing, contact, careers. So if you're looking for the next best person in your network, guys, I'm just going to keep it simple in this one. You want to find that right person. Happenstance is here. They'll connect you. Used by big names. Palashi, Y Combinator, Illicit, Odyssey. There are no barriers right now because you can find anyone and they can find you. Make those connections and make those amazing things happen. It's not happenstance. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.